Right, so you probably watched some of my videos already and you might be interested to know whether you are hypnotizable or not. So today I'm going to share a very simple exercise with you. It's called a suggestibility experiment. Alright, now it's pretty straightforward. First of all, I want you to do this for me. Just put your hand straight out like this, alright? And then turn the right hand over. This is my left, but you should see on your right. Now, turn your right hand over, and as you look at the right hand, I want you to imagine that there's a dictionary on the right hand. And as you imagine a dictionary on the right hand, you can visualize and see the dictionary, and you begin to feel the weight of the dictionary. That's right. And as you feel the weight of the dictionary, you find that your right hand gets heavier and heavier, and it can begin to drop all by itself. That's right. The heavier it feels, the better you feel, because you will begin to realize that it is a form of hypnosis. Now, as your right hand is dropping now, I want you to look at your left hand and imagine that your left hand has a helium balloon tied around it. And as you imagine this, you can feel a tugging and pulling sensation, pulling and tugging your left hand, so your left hand feels even lighter. And the lighter your left hand feels, the heavier your right hand feels. And the heavier your right hand feels, the more it drops, while your left hand feels lighter and lifts higher and higher. And as you see that there's a slight contrast, or maybe even a bigger contrast, between the two, the left hand and right hand, you begin to realize that this is actually a very simple trance phenomenon. And that's why it's called a suggestibility experiment. Right. Now as you actually notice this change, and notice it myself, some of you will have very small, minimal changes. Some of you will have greater change. Some of you have a greater height even. The interesting thing is this. Okay, you would have felt certain sensations occurring in your right hand and left hand. And the sensations in your right hand will make it feel heavier and you will begin to drop. The sensations in your left hand will make it lighter and lift. And that is actually one of the things about hypnosis. Now if you enjoy it, by the way, you can come back out of hypnosis and again get back your arms, just in case, alright? Now if you enjoyed the experience or found it very interesting, sensations occurring, I want you to do a favor for me. Like, comment or share so that your friends can have the same experience and find out if they are suggestible or not. So, thank you for playing along and I'll talk to you soon.